My name is Aryah Nagarajan. I'm studying on Marine and Natural History Photography course. The final project is about parasitoid wasps and about the aphids. There has never been an image where the larva is inside the aphid. There is a technique called scanning electron microscopy, only through which we can see that such things. So I gave it a try, learned all the skills of dissection, specimen preparation, and ACM and everything, and yeah, made it possible. So it's a collaboration between the Darwin Centre of the Natural History Museum with the IAC labs, and then I lead the project. I got this connection to the Natural History Museum through one of my professors. If you are really into natural history, then this is a place where you can start off. You'll start somewhere, but then you'll end up somewhere else. It gives you so much exposure.